Today, we're checking out the E114 Jeep Wrangler remote control car, a scale RC that brings the iconic Jeep look into a compact, off-road ready package. From the moment you see the box, you can already tell this RC is inspired by real-world adventure. Rugged design, bold styling, and that unmistakable Jeep Wrangler attitude. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the design, features, build quality, and performance, and of course, we'll take it outside to see how it handles real terrain. Right out of the box, the Jeep Wrangler looks impressive for a 1/14 scale RC. The body shape is instantly recognizable, the flat hood, the round headlights, the 7-slot grille, all the classic Jeep details are here. The green body color really stands out and gives it that outdoor, trail-ready feel. The size is perfect. Not too small, not too big. Big enough to feel solid and realistic, but compact enough to easily carry and store. Everything feels well protected inside the box, which is always a good sign for shipping and durability. Let's talk about the scale realism, because this is where the E Jeep really shines. The body proportions are well balanced, and the details are clean for this price range. From the molded door lines to the mirrors and fenders, it actually looks like a mini Wrangler, not just a toy car. The wheels and tires deserve special attention. The tires are chunky with deep tread, designed to grip dirt, gravel, and uneven surfaces. Combined with the wide stance, the Jeep looks planted and stable. Even the ride height feels realistic, high enough for off-road driving, but not exaggerated. This is the kind of RC that looks great both on the shelf and out on the trail. Underneath the body, the Jeep uses a durable plastic chassis designed to handle light to moderate off-road driving. The suspension system allows for enough travel to absorb bumps and uneven terrain. You won't get extreme rock crawling flex, but for its scale and category, it performs exactly as expected. The 4-wheel drive system helps distribute power evenly, giving the Jeep better traction when climbing small obstacles or driving on loose surfaces. Overall, the build quality feels solid. This RC is clearly designed for regular use, not just display. The E Jeep Wrangler is powered by an electric motor that provides smooth and predictable throttle response. Acceleration is controlled, making it beginner-friendly while still being fun to drive. Steering response is quick enough to navigate tight spaces, but stable enough for straight driving. The remote control is simple and easy to use, perfect for new RC drivers or casual users. Everything feels intuitive: forward, reverse, left, and right, no complicated setup needed. This makes it a great RC for families, or anyone who just wants to enjoy driving without tuning or upgrades. Now let's take the Jeep outside, where it really belongs. On dirt and gravel, the Jeep feels confident. The tires grip well, and the 4WD system helps maintain traction even on uneven ground. Driving over small rocks and bumps feels smooth, thanks to the suspension soaking up most of the impact. It's not designed for extreme crawling, but it handles light trails, grass, and backyard obstacles with ease. The realistic speed makes it enjoyable to drive. It's fast enough to feel exciting, but slow enough to stay in control, especially important for scale realism. This RC is perfect for casual trail runs, backyard adventures, or creating your own miniature off-road course. So who is the E114 Jeep Wrangler really for? This RC is ideal for beginners, Jeep fans, scale RC collectors, and anyone who enjoys realistic off-road driving. It's also a great gift option thanks to its durability and ease of use. If you're looking for a fun, good-looking RC that doesn't require upgrades right away, this Jeep is a solid choice. Overall, the E114 Jeep Wrangler delivers great value with realistic design, solid performance, and easy controls. If you enjoy scale RC cars and off-road adventures, this Jeep is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Now let's get back on the trail.